Hey everyone. I just wanted to let you know that as you're thinking about putting together analysis one and you're required to include some research to back up your opinions, please note that you do not necessarily have to find research specifically about your comic. For instance, if you were talking about Maus and you wanted to take a look at the genocide and the systematic killing of Jewish people throughout Europe under the Nazi regime, you might look at history resources, economic resources, cultural resources, religious resources, any resource. If you want to find something about persecution in Germany in 1941, you could look in a million different places so long as your research helps to illuminate the text you're focusing on. Whether it's Whiz Comics and Captain Marvel, McCloud's Understanding Comics, or Spiegelman's Mouse, any field that offers insight into what it is that you want to talk about is totally fair game. That's something to keep in mind. And also, when you're thinking about these analyses, remember you're only focusing on one of the three texts, and you're probably only focusing on an element, maybe one. If you wanted to talk about, for example, in Maus, if you wanted to talk about how and why the people were portrayed as specific types of animals, that would be enough. Obviously, you've got the stereotypical idea of Art talking to his wife and saying, maybe I'll represent you as a frog and French and frogs, and it's stereotypical. But it's a little deeper than just cat and mouse with Nazis. It's a little deeper because we bring to the reading already held beliefs about those specific animals and their relationship. So it makes it easier, maybe, for us to understand the relationship between Nazis as cats and Jews and other persecuted peoples as mice because we've got a built-in understanding of that predator-prey relationship. So maybe you focus on the actual literary components of the book as if it were a novel. Maybe you focus on just the artistic elements of the book as if it were a comic. Best of all, you'd combine the two and you'd focus on the literary merits combined with the artistic merits to create a new, more powerful force called graphic memoir or comic. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Please feel free to stop by my office anytime that I'm posted as being here on my office hours on our syllabus. I'd love to chat with you just to make sure that you're on track and you're moving forward to achieve your goals. Talk to you soon.